Mail call. Got Traxxas. All right, folks. New Traxxas Mudboss is here.
Oh man.
Yeah, that's cool.
That is super freaking cool.
Yeah.
This one is the blue. Look at these different colors here that they have. Let me see. This one's very cool.
Blue.
Oh, we got a blue one.
Yep.
Oh, and look at that red up front. That is sick. These mud bosses are going to be insane for the oval, guys.
Oh, yeah. Very cool. Been waiting for these guys. Two blue?
We've got 2 blues so far.
All right, so we have 3 blue. So you can get any color you want as long as it's blue.
Perfect. Love it.
Yeah.
Hey man, the Slash Mudboss is in, guys.
Yeah.
I'm surprised they did 5 colors from the good guy.
I know.
But you know what this means? You're going to be able to get the GTR shots
Yeah.
in all the other colors now. Because before they only had blue, green, and black.
Right.
So now you'll be able to get the pink. Oh,
These are cool.
pink on my Rustler.
Mm-hmm.
They are very cool.
Is this something that will pique in your interest?
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah.
The BL2S, and it's got the Magnum 727R
Yep.
transmission.
Heavy
same as
duty
the
transmission.
BXL.
Yep.
Those are gnarly.
They are great transmissions.
I really want one.